keep sure that y'all keep watching this video because I got a really cool surprise that you won't miss. Hey guys, welcome back to Aiden and Addy's Adventure. I found a crawfish over there, and you know why he wasn't moving? Because they're dormant and they're hibernating right now.
Why? Because what season are we getting into?
Winter! This is dated like it. It's also called Ustia. So many uses.
Hold on, let me see. Hold it still. Ooh, it's pretty. Okay.
My birthday today. I'm turning 6. Can't you believe it? Tomorrow we're going to see lights because it's my actual birthday tomorrow.
Well, your birthday party is tomorrow.
My birthday party is tomorrow. Hey, yo. We're going down there and we find cool stuff. Just like salamanders that I found, but he kept getting on my hand. And I found a big one, but I didn't tell my mom about it yet. And I also found a crawfish. So we are having a great time, and I hope you're having a great time too, because this is all about great times. My videos, you gotta have a good time. It's what you do, guys. Nothing in here. How about this one? No. There's a hole. Guys, I found a hole. Let's look in it. Let's look in it, guys. Guys, give me this. Nothing in there. Okay. We are having a good time, but I did want to tell you. This will be the best video that you ever seen. Cray, boys. Bye, girls. Oh, there might be another. Guys, dang it, there's nothing.
Oh, that's a good hole. Oh, yeah, look, Aiden.
It's a crawfish hole.
All right, do you see one?
Little dude.
It's definitely a crawfish.
I saw it. Come through the hole. Guys, look.
Good job.
Look at his feet on video. I lost him, dude.
You lost him? He probably toned down. Dude, one more time. Our videos are about great days. Wait, our videos are about silly. Guys, Bubba, come over here. Come on. Aiden, Bubba, come on. She's flipping rocks. Nothing, Lulu?
Crazy, guys. You know why? Because never stop being curious. If you find something, don't just be like, no, I don't want it. It's too bad. If you check it out, it might be the best thing that ever could have happened in your life.
That's right. I like that advice. Never stop being curious.
Never.
Giant salamanders, he said, Aiden.
There's 3 of them that just went down here.
All right, go, Aiden.
Put the water.
Y'all want to see if I can uncover some more real quick?
Yeah. I'm there to climb the wall. Cool. Except I'm a wild rock climber. Climber.
Let's see what happens if we go through this guy.
Guys, I'm following my dad.
Alright, you better get over there.
I'm gonna go over. Everyone, salamanders are amphibians.
Like, what else is an amphibian?
Amphibians have to be wet because if they can be out far on land, but they have to be wet.
Their skin.
It has to be wet so they can survive.
Yep, frogs are also amphibians.
Hey guys, my dad's about to flip this giant rock. Mama, I can then knock those big rocks. Bam!
Oh.
What's on it? Let's see. Nothing.
Man!
You couldn't find animals, but I have something really exciting to show you. I'm about to ride a surprise. My brother got these for my birthday. This is a little mermaid. I don't know what tail is, but this is a unicorn, and her name is Dreamy. She can turn stuff into ice cream, and she can fly.
And that's a crybaby.
Yeah, this is a crybaby,
And that one's a LOL doll.
and this one's an LOL doll.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. This is the cooler, guys, that my dad rebuilt for me, guys, and my mommy and daddy bought me these things.
Gloves, helmet, goggles.
Alright guys, I'm ready. And now I'm gonna go on my tour. Don't forget today is my birthday. If you like this video, make sure you come back next time. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. Put your thumbs up. Put your thumbs